MITRA AI opens with a secure auth gate. Each user signs into their own isolated workspace where every run and artifact is kept private. The home dashboard shows uploaded datasets, validated runs, and live activity at a glance. The agent roster on the right lists every specialist, from data validator to judge, that powers a run. Starting a run begins by choosing an LLM provider and model. MITRA routes every call through one Google ADK wrapper, so the key just needs a quick connection test. The green badge confirms the LLM endpoint is live. With the provider connected, the user moves on to upload data. The user selects a raw CSV, here an IPL cricket matches file, straight from their machine. No manual cleaning is needed first. With the dataset loaded, the user sets the problem type, picks the target column, winner, and adds a short description. One click on, validate and review, hands control to the agents. The data validator runs format, row count, P and null density checks instantly. In parallel, the metadata agent runs the mini data generated and creates metadata for the run. All quality gates pass and metadata is generated successfully. The dataset is now understood and ready for feature engineering. An 11-step feature pipeline runs live, cleaning, encoding, and scaling. The agent reasoning panel will explain each decision once the stage completes. The agent narrates why features were kept or dropped. Using dataset to vec, MITRA finds similar past datasets and warm starts the run with recommended models. Every feature is scored on mutual info gain, MRMR, Laplacian and variance. Green features are selected, red ones dropped, 13 kept, 4 removed. Selected models train in parallel on Ray, streaming progress as they go. The execution map shows the full pipeline from warm start through SHAP, overfitting, HPT and the judge. Each model reports its validation score and training time as it finishes. The right panel begins building the reasoning and verdict for the run. Models finish with their accuracy and duration logged. A session summary confirms training succeeded and invites the user to the leaderboard. MITRA documents what each column means in plain language. This domain context grounds both the explanations and the judge's reasoning. SHAP feature importance reveals which inputs drove predictions most. Alongside it, train versus validation gap plots flag any overfitting. The LLM judge shortlists the top 5 models, with gradient boosting classifier leading. From here the user can launch Optuna hyperparameter tuning on the winners. Optuna HPT runs live on the judge selected models. The streaming log shows each trial searching for stronger configurations. Tuning progresses and the best score updates in real time. Improved models feed straight back into the leaderboard. Every model gets a verdict card covering predictive quality, class balance, generalization and robustness. Approved models are clearly marked. Expanding a card reveals the full justification behind the model's rank. Nothing is a black box, every decision is traceable. The visualization screen collects every plot generated across the run, grouped by pipeline stage. The judge's dimension scorecard and train versus validation gap charts sit side by side for a final review. Per model SHAP global importance charts show what each classifier relied on most. A multi-metric training comparison rounds out the explainability story for the whole leaderboard. A full audit trail exposes raw prompts, gate outcomes and final scores. Models below the metric flow are transparently zeroed out.